Hi. Today we are going to learn how to delete or remove denied items or listings on Facebook Marketplace easily. You see that this item is denied by Facebook. I appealed for it but they rejected. But I cannot remove it from here. Nothing is there to delete it. So, let's apply a trick. Right-click on the blank space and go to Inspect. Here, click on Mobile Device. And simply reload the page. This is mobile version of the Facebook. Now find the denied items. Click on Manage Items. Finally delete. It's been deleted. Now simply exit the page. And come back again. Now you see that the item or listing has gone or deleted. By this way you can delete or remove all the items you have as denied listings easily. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.